Hi everyone. Today, we're going to talk about the amazing health benefits of cloves. If you're not familiar with cloves, they're a type of spice that's often used in cooking and baking, and they have a warm, sweet, and slightly bitter taste. But cloves aren't just for adding flavor to your food, they also have some incredible health benefits that you might not know about. Please watch the full video to see how to prepare cloves tea for best results. 10. Antioxidant properties. Cloves contain high levels of antioxidants, which can help protect the body from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause damage to cells, leading to a range of health problems, including cancer, heart disease, and aging. By neutralizing free radicals, antioxidants can help reduce the risk of these health issues. 9. Anti-inflammatory effects. Cloves have anti-inflammatory properties that may help reduce inflammation in the body. Inflammation is the body's natural response to injury or infection, but chronic inflammation has been linked to a range of health problems, including heart disease, cancer, and diabetes. By reducing inflammation, cloves may help reduce the risk of these conditions. 8. Pain relief. Cloves may have pain-relieving properties, and they have traditionally been used to help alleviate toothaches and other types of pain. If you're experiencing a toothache, you can try placing a clove near the affected tooth to help reduce the pain. 7. Improvement of digestion. Cloves may help improve digestion by stimulating the production of digestive juices and enzymes. If you're experiencing digestive issues, such as bloating or constipation, adding some cloves to your diet may help alleviate these symptoms. 6. Antifungal and antibacterial effects. Cloves may have antifungal and antibacterial properties, which may help prevent the growth of harmful microorganisms in the body. This can be especially helpful during cold and flu season, when our bodies are more vulnerable to infections. If you like the information you are receiving, so please click the like button to let us know. 5. Boost the immune system. Cloves may help boost the immune system by increasing the production of white blood cells and helping to fight off infections. If you're feeling run down or prone to getting sick, adding some cloves to your diet may help support your immune system. 4. May help lower blood sugar levels. Some studies suggest that cloves may help lower blood sugar levels in people with diabetes. If you have diabetes or are at risk of developing diabetes, incorporating cloves into your diet may be helpful in managing your blood sugar levels. 3. May help lower cholesterol levels. Cloves may help lower cholesterol levels by reducing the production of LDL, bad cholesterol in the liver. High cholesterol is a major risk factor for heart disease, so adding cloves to your diet may help reduce your risk of developing heart problems. 2. May help reduce the risk of cancer. Some studies have suggested that cloves may have anti-cancer properties and may help reduce the risk of certain types of cancer. While more research is needed in this area, the potential for cloves to have a positive impact on cancer risk is certainly worth considering. May have anti-aging effects. Cloves may have anti-aging effects due to their high levels of antioxidants, which can help protect the body from damage caused by free radicals. By neutralizing free radicals, cloves may help reduce the signs of aging and keep your skin looking youthful and radiant. Here is a bonus for you. Be sure to like and subscribe for more great videos. How to prepare clove tea. To prepare cloves tea, you will need water 1 cup, cloves 4 to 5 whole cloves, honey optional. Here's how to prepare the tea. Bring the water to a boil in a small saucepan. Add the cloves to the boiling water and let them steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Remove the saucepan from the heat and let the tea cool for a few minutes. Strain the tea through a fine mesh sieve or a piece of cheesecloth to remove the cloves. Add honey to taste, if desired. Serve the tea hot and enjoy. Note: cloves are very strong and have a pungent, slightly bitter taste, so you may want to start with just a few cloves and add more to taste. You can also experiment with adding other ingredients to the tea, such as lemon or ginger, to balance out the flavor. So there you have it, 10 health benefits of cloves that you might not have known about. Whether you're looking to boost your immune system, reduce inflammation, or simply add some flavor to your cooking, cloves are a great spice to have on hand. Please subscribe and thanks for watching.